How old are you?
Eight.
8? What's your name?
Ivy Jojo.
What?
Ivy Jojo.
RB
Joy.
RB Joy?
Apa?
RB Joy. Ah. Where's your mom?
May ko video mungga ko upside down.
What?
Mungga ko upside down. Sabi,
Why you're so poggy?
because I shower.
Because you shower?
Yes. Hey, make a video.
Yes, I video you. You like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Again. I'll make a video of like this.
What's your breakfast today?
Itlog.
Itlog? Wow, yummy ba? Yummy?
Yes.
Very yummy itlog?
Yes. And yummy unggoy.
Yummy and goya. Where's your mommy?
Unggoy.
Unggoy, mami. Lagot ka, makikita ni mami mo to. Your lola is?
Nanay Loto unggoy.
Why so pogi?
Because I shower unggoy.
Because you shower every day.
Yes.
Oh, very good. So hot? So hot to the Philippines, RB?
Yes.
Punta ka na sa Korea.
Tomorrow,
Go to Korea. Go to Korea.
goes to sleep.
Dun. Your father is to Korea. Oh, andun yung tatay mo sa Korea.
My dad is Mario.
Oh, yun nga. Nasa Korea. Hindi ka sumama sa daddy mo. Ah,
Naiwan ako.
naiya ka?
Hindi, naiwan ako.
Naiwan ka? Nagtatagalog ka pala. Visit ka.